In this session we're going to look at how we can use the map drive to the server to save and then display a page from the web server. So let's get underway. Once you've created a linked drive to the server and the drive is mapped, you'll then be able to open up Visual Studio Code. Now once Visual Studio Code is open, you need to click open the folders and then you can open a folder. Now what we need to do is actually head to the Digital Zone mapped drive, click on that and navigate your way through to the folder that you would like to use. Once you've done that, click on open. This will then display the contents of the drive. At the moment you can only see a Microsoft shadow file or a hidden file that's there. Please don't delete it, just leave these files alone. And what we're going to do is add a file. So the first thing we're going to put in there is test.php and press enter. Now if I go Command S, this would have automatically been saved. When you look at the Digital Zone server, you can see that I now have that test.php file in my directory. Now I'm just going to put a very simple program in there, and we're just going to fire up PHP info and make sure the semicolon is on the end. I'm now going to save that. If I look in the web server, you can see that the information has been saved in the file. Now to run this file, we need to right mouse click the file and go copy path. Then open up a browser. Then we're going to paste the path into the URL bar. Once you've done that, we need to remove the volumes because we're not talking directly to it, but we want to talk to the web server and the folder path and the file that we want to talk to, and press enter. Now this is then gone and executed the PHP info page. If we want to add some more information to this, we can go back into Visual Studio Code, and then at the top of the page we're just going to echo out a header 1 tag. Then you can save this file, refresh the page, and you can see the update come through. So this will actually aid you in your workflow and the development of your dynamic websites.